This is actually when I said it. I said it on the 19th or 21st, actually. It was 2 days ago, and I said it can go to the upside. We have double bottom, and if you look at the chart on the 4-hour, that's what I like to see it. You're already starting to see this trend down here starting to get break. This is not really a big deal. This is not, doesn't mean that we're gonna go up from here, but this is the beginning. It could be. We need to see a lot. I want to see it on a daily basis. I want to see the Bitcoin started to take in some highs, like especially this high, and then this high, and then eventually this high. So once we started taking this high, all these highs, that's when the Bitcoin is gonna attract some attention, and then eventually what you want to see, going back up here and started taking previous support. All right.
Soon after.